Good day, everyone. This is Sir JM, your mathematics teacher, and our lesson for the day is all about describe a proportion, part 1, grade 9 math, week 5. What is a proportion? Proportion is the equality of two ratios. It can be expressed as equal of two fractions or column form. Fractions such as a over b is equal to c over d, which a times d is our extremes, and b times c is our means. In column form, we have a is to b is equal to c is to d, which is the means is b and c. And now our extremes is A and D. The two ratios are said to be equal if the cross products of the ratios are equal. Equivalent ratio. The following ratio can be reduced to the same value. Read as 2 is to 4. 2 is to 4 or 2 over 4 can be simplified as 1 half. The simplest form of 2 over 4 is 1 half. Ratios that can be reduced to the same value are called equivalent ratios. For example, we have 2 is to 4 is equal to 1 is to 2. 4 times 1 is 4. And 2 times 2 is also 4. Since the product of means and extremes are equal, therefore the given ratios are proportional. Let's have an example. Identify if the given ratios are proportion. Number 1. The given ratios are 3 is to 6 is equal to 1 is to 2. Again, to find out if the given ratio is a proportion, we must multiply the means and the extremes. We have 6 times 1 is 6. And 3 times 2 is also 6. Therefore, the given ratios are proportion. Number 2 example. 3 over 36 is equal to 4 over 48. Now, how can we identify if the given ratio is a proportion? Since our given is in fractional form, therefore we need to cross multiply. Then, we multiply 3 times 48 is equal to 144. And 4 times 36 is also 144. Therefore, the given product of means and extremes are equal. Therefore, the given is a proportion. Number 3. The given ratios are 3 is to 60 is equal to 6 is to 120. We need to multiply the means and extremes to find out if the given ratio is a proportion. Now, let us multiply. 6 times 60 is equal to 360. 3 times 120 is also 360. Therefore, the given ratios are proportion. Number 4 example. The given ratios are 2 is to 7 is equal to 3 is to 10. Again, we need to multiply our mean and extreme. We have 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 10 is 80. Since the product of our mean and extreme is not equal, therefore the given ratios are not a proportion. And last example, number 5. Our given ratios are 1 over 80 is equal to 3 over 240. Again, since the given is in fractional form, we need to cross multiply. We have 1 times 240 is equal to 240. And we have 80 times 3 is equal to 240. Since the product of our mean and extreme is equal, therefore, the given ratio is a proportion.